on her. She looks pretty good, actually. I didn't get crazy detailed. I didn't have a hand scrubber. I left it in the car. But I mean, it's smooth to the touch. I mean, it's not a new plane by any means, but it's smooth to the touch. Before it had hangar dirt on it, you know, caked on. I mean, pretty clean for, you know, old ass plane from the 60s. She looks good. I don't know when she was painted. But I mean, that's pretty good right there. That's as clean as I've ever seen it. Got the windows all cleaned up. You know, obviously lots of age on the paint, but cleaned up pretty good. It's windy as hell today. You can see that flag. So I'm not gonna fly, but I think she looks good. Yeah, I don't want to go get kicked around in the air after I just got kicked around on the grass or on the ramp here washing it. It was actually quite intense. I kind of got beat up a lot. All right, we're gonna taxi back to the other side. Clip prop.